In this video, we will look at how to test session code. We will review the test that ensures we have added the associated key correctly. Here we are starting with the config test attribute to tell the Rust compiler to compile and run the test code only when invoking cargo test, not when debugging or releasing. All your individual testing functions will be grouped within mod tests. We'll use these packages and types to prepare and send the session code to the network. Next, we define arguments as constants, making sure we use the exact names specified as arguments by the session code. If your session code takes in different arguments, you should define them as constants at this point. Test functions are annotated with the test attribute. The bodies of test functions typically perform some setup, run the code we want to test, then assert whether the results are what we expect. Now it's time to run the test and verify the results with make test. We are familiar with session code. Let's move on to the next video, which will explain Casper smart contracts. We will start the video by comparing session code with contract code.